Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another TEMU haul. This is going to be a mixture of like an unboxing, keep or return, and what I ordered versus what I got, because I have like a random, oh my god, Olivia totally moved on, it was gonna bother me. Anyway, I have a random assortment of things that I can't figure out if I should keep or return, so hopefully you guys will help me out in the comments. But if you're new to my channel, I've been doing a ton of TEMU videos recently. You can check out my playlist right here. I also have everything linked down below that I mentioned in today's video, and my TEMU discount code. Anyway, follow me on Instagram for more. You can also follow me on TikTok for more TEMU unboxing. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. I have a few bags. This one I accidentally ordered twice. It's really cute. I don't have a ton of like casual shoulder bags. Not that something this small would ever be convenient for me as a mom and as someone who is constantly carrying like 20 million things, but I thought it'd be cute for like different outfits or maybe vacation. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna keep, just because just looking at it, the quality is like not my favorite. If I don't use it, I can always give it to our little cousins, so we'll see. This is a definite keep. It's so pretty. The color is gorgeous. Coastal granddaughter, I think is what they're calling it now on TikTok. That style that's timeless and classic, but a little more up to trend. Then that's the vibe that I get with this bag, with this color. I think this is so pretty for like $15. You really cannot beat it. Tell me if this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. It's a little mushroom pillow. I got a different one, a tie-dye one, and as soon as I got this one in the mail, I returned the tie-dye one because this is way more my aesthetic, more of the color story in my daughter's room. But they also have like really pretty neutral ones in the same listing. I'm thinking of getting every single color. That's what I meant to say. This is my first time ordering art and prints from TEMU, and I'm actually pretty impressed. I think this one is super cool. I think this was maybe $2 for like a bar cart or a man's office. I think this would be really cool. And then I got a bunch of these Disco Fever, Tequila. I'm gonna do a murder mystery party later this year. The theme is gonna be disco. I'm very excited. I'm gonna get some cheap frames, probably from Amazon, and put them like as decor all over the table and where we're gonna do like the murder mystery. I found such a cool little store of TEMU that has all these art prints. A lot of art, I guess, is public domain, so you can print it for free and whatnot. They sell a lot of that art that is in the Met and other museums for $3.68, I believe I paid for this, and it's a very nice size. I don't know if y'all are able to tell. I still need to find a frame for this, but I have a very vintagey romantic powder room, and I thought this would be the perfect addition for it. I don't usually share a ton of kids finds, not because I don't have them, but because I'm planning on doing an entire video since I found so many amazing toys and alternatives. I have this little book that I got recently. I thought this would be perfect for summer entertainment, like either in the car, at a restaurant. It's quiet. I thought this was really cool, and I got it for only, I think, $8. This is a keep. I've been meaning to buy something like this. Basically, on one side you can dry the brushes, and on the other you can wash them. It hangs so you can flip it upside down. That way the brushes are hanging like the right way. I thought this was really cool. It was $5, but I love the 2-in-1 and I really like how it looks. I've been meaning to get this for a while. I almost got it off Amazon, but then I found it on TEMU for super cheap, so I got this. I was expecting it to be a tad bigger, but this works for both curling irons and then also for like heated brushes and all that good stuff. And then I got some more of these. I initially got them off Amazon, and then some of you said that TEMU had them, so I decided to get this like colorful pack. I'll probably give like some of them to friends, but I really like this white one that matches my Stanley perfectly. My best friend has been begging me to find a dupe for this perfume. Well, now I love those here, but I don't think they have any for this specific perfume. I decided to, instead of doing the DH one, I got this one from TEMU, y'all, and I've never been more impressed. It smells so good. It lingers on my skin. It smells identical to a real thing in my opinion, and it's only $8. It's so crazy to me. This is a box. I've been saving it to show y'all. that it came in. And then this is a perfume bottle. It feels nice and heavy. It's very nice. I've been skeptical, but now I want to try all the perfumes of TEMU. I think this is my third box of these specific lash extensions. I do them myself, as y'all know. The 13s on right now in this video, but I also ordered the 15s, which are their large size, and then their 11s, just so I can create more dimension in the eye. But I think these are probably the best lash extensions I've ever tried, and they're only $2. I feel like besides kids toys, one of my favorite things to get on TEMU is home improvement things. I've gotten so many fun things that are like way more expensive at Home Depot or Lowe's or even Amazon for dirt cheap. So these are just caulking tools just to scrape the caulk off. We've been doing a lot of molding and projects and things, so I thought this would be helpful to have, and it was $2. On that note, one of my least favorite things to get from TEMU is jewelry. It sucks. I would avoid it at all costs unless you're either not sensitive to fake jewelry, don't plan on wearing it a ton because it tarnishes so fast, and honestly, just spend a few more dollars, go on Amazon, and you'll get something that won't tarnish. But let me show you what I got that I'm definitely returning. I got these little like multiple hoops. They're very cute, but they feel super cheap. I just know this is not gonna last more than 1 or 2 wears. And they're a little bit bigger than I usually go for. I thought they'd be a little smaller, so returning those. These are so cute, but they literally feel and are plastic, so those are definitely going back. They give you, once again, that look, and it has the chain. I would love this if it was like at least like, I don't know, gold plated, but returning that. I actually really like these, but once again, this is plastic, and then the back of both earrings is completely bent. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see that. So that tells me a lot about the quality. I have really sensitive ears, so I can only wear like real gold or like gold plated stuff, and unfortunately this is not it. And then this cowboy boot and the airplane are from the same seller. They feel pretty good quality. I've been wearing the airplane for like 3 or so days, no problems. I just put in the cowboy boot. I will let you guys know, but I think I'm gonna keep these at least for now, unless they tarnish or start hurting my ear. I love these. They look like studs, like the brand, and they were very affordable. I got 2 of these holders. I honestly think I'm gonna return both. I don't love how they don't match, so that's already a problem for me. I mean, I should have known. But also, this one feels like nice-ish, and this is like straight up plastic that is not gonna hold any sort of blow dryer to my wall. Got some more of these. I have the hooks version, and to be honest, they don't hold up that well, so I'm kind of skeptical about this, but this is to avoid doing like nails and holes in the wall. Just stick these on, so I thought I would give these a try. Speaking of random things I got for no reason, this, as you can see, you probably already know what this is, but it's for your car, so I was expecting it to smell good or something. It doesn't smell like anything. This was like $6, and as cute as it is, do I really need like a mini Birkin on my air vents? No, I don't. So also going back, but if this is something you would like, it is pretty cute. I feel like I showed you guys these rollers in my last TEMU video, but as you can see, they are pretty small, so I wanted something thicker, that way the curl isn't super tight, but it still gives me volume. So I got these, very inexpensive, and you get 6 of them. And also for my hair, I got this bottle that I can put my hair gloss. As you'll know, I don't dye my hair, I just do the copper gloss, so that way I don't have to get my hands dirty, and I can really get in there throughout my whole hair. And this could even work for like clarifying shampoos and anything like that. I've been seeing a lot of people on TikTok talk about using these disposable towels for your face, that way you're not spreading around bacteria and whatnot. So I decided to give these a try. It comes with 100, which I don't know how long realistically it will last me, but we'll see. And they are much cheaper than the Amazon ones. And then I also got this for Olivia to be able to cut her little hair elastics once she actually lets me put them on. This was like 44 cents. Then with this one, I'm very conflicted. I mean, you can tell what it's a dupe for. It's very cute. I love how big it is. I would so use this all the time if I lived like in Puerto Rico or like by the beach, or if I was spending like a month in Florida or something. But it's very cute. I almost wish I would have gotten the light blue. I think that one's like a little bit more unique, so I could justify keeping, but I already have like a little too many like beachy looking bags like this. Okay, this was definitely an impulse buy. This is peel and stick tiles, and you might be thinking, Fila, why? Honestly, I don't know. they're pink, so that's why I was like, oh my god, what can I do with that? And I just blacked out and I ended up ordering 2 packs of it. These weren't cheap by any means, definitely like inexpensive compared to the alternative. I don't know, I'm going to think it over, see if I'm actually gonna use these, and if not, I'm gonna return them. But I mostly want to try them out to see if they actually work, if they hold up. I think they're really pretty though. I don't know, tell me if you have any ideas. I thought this one was cute, but then my best friend made me look at it a little different, saying that this looks like something else. And honestly, this was kind of expensive. I think it was like almost 20 bucks, and I was like, you know what, that's not worth it. It is pretty big, but kind of unnecessary unless I was like a teacher or something. I don't see this fitting into well in Olivia's room with her decor, so I'm returning this. And then I got this as I'm keeping. This came with, yeah. This is for doing tumblers or cups for the Cricut. So, or like, let me rephrase. This is for putting a cup so you can add Cricut vinyl. I am a smart person. Anyway, it just makes it easier to hold in place, and it comes with the little scraping tool, which is always nice. And then this I'm returning, unfortunately, because my daughter is way too big and this shrinks. It's muslin. It's like that very nice airy material, but number one, this doesn't fit her, and number two, I need something that is willing to withstand being washed and dry, so this is not for me. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed these, please give it a big thumbs up. You can also check out my TikTok if you want more of these casual style videos. I do them quite a bit on there, especially TEMU unboxing, so follow me on there if you haven't already. Subscribe for more TEMU videos, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.